4-bedroom flat. You can see this one of the room, this one of the room, this one of the room. I don't want to put more details on it. What I want to show you is just the external of it. So definitely you have already seen inside, and this video is it will be very short. This video is very short, so please don't expect long details or long explanations to read. So what I'm going to do now, just to explain some things to you for you to understand. Back again, this is my wall, this is my door, this is my window, this is my column, this is my beam, this is my slab, this is my staircase, this is my roof, this is my shelf, this is my skylight, this is my curtain, this is my object. These objects I normally pick many things from it. These are the things I pick from it. You can come here and search for anything you wish to search for. Maybe for instance you press G, it can give you many things you will use for your design that will beautify your design. Today I'm not going to go much detail. I'm not going to go deep or explain too much, give you too much explanation. What I'm going to do now is just to give you a highlight of it. Please ensure you subscribe. And this is the main building, this is the interior building. You can see it. This is the plan. Like what I showed you in 2D. This is the main plan of the building. And if you wish to learn this thing, please inbox me privately, or you can also use the means of message. Chat me up and I will reply you. I'm waiting for a message to come. Gradually, I will teach you how to do interior design. But if possible, if you're interested, please ensure you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you inbox me and you chat me up. Thank you so much. I use my Ctrl Z to bring everything back. You can see this is the flat roof, not flat roof. The roof I've not yet entered. Okay, let me press my Ctrl Z. This is the roof in the final stage. Alright, try to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more information. I'm going to upload a new video. Thank you so much. This is the front. You can see how beautiful it is. And if you wish to learn something like this, please ensure you subscribe. Don't let it to scroll past away. You can see how beautiful it is. So first of all, this is the front. You see, look at all these things here. All these things you are seeing. This is my wall. I normally pick color from. If for instance now if I want to pick any color, for instance now I can click on this wall. I click on this wall. So once I click on the wall double times, I highlight it. Once I highlight it, I'll come to wall selection setting. Wall selection setting will give me the color, the kind of color I want. This is wall selection setting. The kind of color I want. I press OK. See how the color have changed. So that is how, if you want to change anything in Archicad, that is how you change the color. Let me change it to white color now. That's turned to white. So for instance, I want to come back to my former color. I will just use my Ctrl Z to bring it back to my normal color. You see it? You see it? Now it has come back to normal. If you like this video, ensure you subscribe for this YouTube channel. I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Thanks. God bless you. Bye.